Hello guys, welcome in today's lesson. This is your very own, the undergraduate teacher. In today's lesson, we are looking at the question which came in Science GCE Paper 2, 2023 G12. This is chemistry part. So the question was on section B, question 4. It was saying figure 4.1 shows an electronic structure for element Q. So this was element Q. It was written here, figure 4.1. So the first question, it was saying name element Q. So for you to name element Q, what you need to understand is that you have to count the number of electrons in this structure. So you must always understand this, that the first electron, it is always as what? Two shells. Then the second, starting second to going up, when you are preparing an electric or an electronic configuration of an atom, you must understand that going, you are preparing an electric or an electronic configuration of an atom, you must understand that starting from second to going up in terms of number of shells, it adds up to what? 80 shells, the total. That's the total. So it can't go more than 8. So now, when you are counting, you must understand. You say, like here it has got 2 electrons. The second it has got 8 together. That means it's 10. Then they say with the last one you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 plus the 10, it has got what? 17 electrons. So that means this element has got 17 electrons. So for you to know this element, you have to go on the periodic table. When you go on the periodic table, there is a number there on top and there is a number down there. That number is the one that represents number of proton and also number of electron, which is down. So you focus on the number which is down. So you have to check on the periodic table an element which has got 17 down there. You are going to find this chlorine. So you understand that element Q, you are going to say element Q. So element T, you say element Q is chlorine. So that means that was 1 mark, this question. The second question, it was say state the period of the periodic table where element Q belongs. Explain your answer. So what you need to understand, for you to know the number of periods, for you to know the number or the period where that element belongs, you have to understand this, that the number of shells is the number of periods. So that's what you need to understand. So now, you can go on the periodic table, you can count. There are laws like this. So you can count, you'll find that chlorine is in period 3, or you can just count the number of shells here. You say 1, 2, 3. So that you're going to say element Q is in period 3. Then you explain your answer. You're going to say element T, you are explaining your answer. They say explain your answer. Element Q has 3 electron shells. Okay. You can put a full stop. You can say element Q has 3 electron shells. Then you say number of shells equals period number. That's the explanation. You just say number of shells equals period number. or periodic number. Guys, we have come to the end of this in today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The undergraduate teacher is where learning never stops. See you in the next video, guys.